Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shamal here with JJRC Q46, the badass looking RC truck 4-wheel drive system with independent shock absorbers, and this is very FPV-able. Not to mention it has a speed control as well, as you can adjust the speed. Anyway, this is the maiden drive. Let's drive it and see how it goes. I have found this little isolated area here, and I think this is best because I have that gravel there and that can be used for jumping this truck. So let's drive it and let's see how it goes, how it performs, and after that the modding and FPVing will start. So I have set the speed to low and now I'm setting it to high speed, and that's where we are gonna drift around here. .40 km/h is not a bad speed. That's good speed, man. Nice jump. Well, we do have to bash and see how durable it is. It just had a nice bump on the front. Oh, one shock is stuck on the back. Alright, so these are those shocks that are easy to get stuck because this one is bent. Oh, now that is disappointing, man. This one is bent. Ah, that's why it wasn't working. Anyway, I'll go slow and easy on this baby now. Now here is some dirt. I'm sure this baby can handle it, but this truck, I can say it's not designed for those hardcore bashings, I believe, because it's gonna give up really soon. But FPV trailing, it's gonna be sweet on this one. Uh-oh, upside down. Turtles, turtles, turtles! So I'm not gonna just bash it here. I'm just gonna check how well it's handling different terrain. I mean, how good is its 4-wheel drive system. You know, anybody can actually design a badass looking truck, but when it comes to something that is gonna be durable and can handle those abuse, that requires parts, man, parts, the quality of parts. So far it's doing very well. The only issue I have is one of the bent shocks, one of the shocks bending. I think now we are turtles. No, it did it. Sweet. So far handling very nice. 4-wheel drive system is performing really nice, man. So JJRC did its homework. Now the only thing is the quality of parts, especially the shocks.